Right, guys, we're now on part 2. So this is the dessert. If you missed the previous video, go back and watch that. What did we make?
Coconut rice with haricot.
Coconut rice with haricot. It's amazing. Just trust me. Watch the previous video. What are we making today?
Akwadu.
Amazing. Right, starting off, we're gonna want
1 cup of orange juice, the juice from 1 lemon, 2 big spoons of vegan butter, add 2 or 3 bananas, coconut, and brown sugar.
Let's do it. So we've got Dorcas back here. Dorcas is gonna just make some orange juice. Okay, Dorcas, what's the first step?
Chop the bananas.
Let's do it. Okay, so now we have everything ready. What's the next stage?
We just need to put the vegan butter inside. And now we add the bananas.
So that's all of the bananas. We used about 5 in total for this.
And now we just need to add the orange juice. And the lemon. We give it a shake to make everything combine. It just needs to be below the surface, so if it's too much liquid, just use the spoon. So now we have the brown sugar. We take a little bit and we put it all over. Just make sure that we cover all the bananas with sugar. And now we will do the same with the coconut.
Amazing.
And now we put it in the oven for 20 minutes on a 180 degrees C.
20 minutes later.
It's ready. Come to have a look.
Ooh la la. That smells really nice.
Akwadu.
No? Okay. We put them there in on the place. And that's it. It's ready.
And it's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to do a taste test on the Akwadu. Ready?
Okay.
Do you know what?
It's good.
The one, as my mama said, yeah,
It's
tastes
great.
the same.
It's great.
First of all, it's really, really nice. But the lemon just gives it a kick. I've never had anything like this. I think
Amazing.
the combination,
I really,
like
really
literally,
like
the
it.
combination of the coconut and the banana and the lemon and the orange on top.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Like what happens? Like the coconut when it dries,
Mm-hmm.
it completely changes the texture of the whole thing.
Exactly. It's true.
This is amazing. I've got my baby boy here. You want to try some? Yeah. Come.
Akwadu.
So, say hello. Say hello. Ready?
Do you like it? It's yummy. Oh, that's a 10/10.
That's a 10. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait, let me do a full on exit. Wait. Guys, that sums up this little mini series on Equatorial Guinea. I want to say a massive thanks to the ladies. Thank you. We do hunt around here. Yeah.
Thank
Hashtag
you.
me too.
It was a pleasure.
Guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you hit subscribe. How is subscribe in Spanish?
Suscribiros.
Suscribiros. And what's your main language?
Fan.
Fan?
Yeah.
How do you say bye bye in fan?
Adiós, hasta la próxima.
Beautiful people. I want to give a massive thanks to Dorcas and Marisol for making the effort to come along. Honestly, both dishes, absolutely incredible. There's some interesting bits and pieces that I couldn't fit into the previous video, so if you're interested in hearing a bit more, stick around, it's coming right up. I've just discovered something quite interesting as well, so go ahead. So what were you saying here? So
People from our country, we are short. We are not tall, but short. Like, you know, Willy Wonka with Oompa Loompas.
We are like that.
Oompa Loompas. The men's and the women's. Like, we are not tall.
Like my parents, for example, have proper height, but all my siblings, like a bit taller than me, but not that much, and I'm the third taller one. So imagine, it's like.
So if you see someone there in Guinea that is tall, you're like, no, you're not 100% from this country. You're mixed with Senegal, Mali, Cameroon. You are not from here.
So there's the in between Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea. There's a place it's called Akombang.
Ooh, it's the place. Akombang is the place. Like the local business, they go to Akombang to buy. Imagine if you go to the market, you know, there in Guinea you will see like a lot of markets like run by women, because women are the business people there in our country.
100%.
The country is run by the women, not the men. Like if you go to Equatorial Guinea, the bosses are the women.
wow.
They are the head of the family. They are the ones who are running the country, and they go to Akombang. Yeah,
And then
they go to Akombang, and there they can buy.
It's a separate country? It's like or a territory?
It's like a
It's
border.
the frontier, yeah,
exactly.
the border.
It's the border between Cameroon and Guinea. And they go there and they buy there the vegetables, all the things that they want to sell there.
even walks, you can find absolutely
Everything.
If you don't find it in Akombang,
There's-
it doesn't exist.
No,
100%.
Wow.
Because there's everything there.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
Now there's a few Guinea.
Guinea in English, Guinea in Spanish.
So there's a few Guineas in Africa. Are they related anyway?
No, so my Guinea, which is the original one, it's Equatorial Guinea, and we speak Spanish. There's Guinea-Bissau, they speak in Portuguese, and Guinea-Conakry, they speak in French.
Okay.
So
and
there
are
are
they like other? Is there any relation between them?
No, they were colonized by different French and Portuguese, so we don't have nothing to do with them.
Wow. Interesting.
So in my Guinea, the original one, we are Christian, and the other ones, most of them, they are Muslim.
Interesting.
So different religion, cultures, and everything.
Wow. So you learn something new every day on Uncle Lou's Kitchen. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Once again, massive thanks to the girls. It was really so much fun making this. Couldn't stop laughing. Now, guys, if you enjoy these masterclasses, I've got a whole ton of other ones from Africa, all around the world, where I bring in guest chefs. Do check them out. I'm going to put some here so you can see. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.